What's up, my YT homies? What it do? What it do? And what it do? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Alifia and I appreciate you so much for stopping by to check out a video on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and just say it at the beginning to go ahead and get this over with. I'm going to say it at the end too. I'm not even going to lie. Go ahead and subscribe. You're here for a reason. Go ahead and subscribe so that you won't miss out on any of the other shenanigans that you can find here on my channel. And I think I said it, but for those of you that are new here, my name is Alifia and I thank you so much for dropping in. And to my oldie but goodies, to my ride or dies, to my I'm gonna watch regardless to what you put out. I definitely appreciate you guys and I thank you so much for coming to check out another video. So in this video, this is another look using my Divine Rose 2 palette, which is the Mothership number 8, I believe it is, from Pat McGrath. I don't even know why I'm opening this up because y'all know what this looks like. Y'all already know from my last video, I do not have the special edition, the limited edition packaging. I have the black packaging, but it's all right with your girl as long as she has the shadows, the packaging. That's mediocre. That's mediocrity, right? Without further ado, if you are interested in seeing how I created this look with that palette, then please continue to watch. All right, so we're back for another look with the Pat McGrath palette. Yes, I'm about to Pat McGrath y'all to death. Hey, anyway, I've been using concealers to prime my lids, but I was trying to find my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and I could not find it. So we're gonna use this Morphe eyelid primer to prime my eyes. And I put a little bit on the back of my hands. And I have not used an eyeshadow primer in God knows how long. I hope this stuff has not expired. I don't even remember when I got it. Hopefully it'll hold up. So for this look, I'm only going to use 3 colors, and that's Skin Show Rose Opal, Rose Seduction, and VR Extraterrestrial. And the brow bone, we're using the Skin Show Rose Opal. And let's just go back with some of that Rose Seduction. Well, actually, I didn't put any more on the brush. I just went back over with what was on the brush. All right, so I did not have plans on cutting the crease, but I am going to go ahead and cut the crease, and I am going to use the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Sunshine every single day. But we love it more when we make it rain. We were sipping, chasing waterfalls. That's why he called me TLC. And for this one, as you can see, I am going just a little bit higher than my crease. I got all you want, baby. I got everything you need. Tangerine, lemon, cherry dripping all over me. I'm your notorious Roy G. B.I.V. So now I'm going to take the Rose Seduction and I'm going to pop some more in this outer corner, blending those 2 colors together. And then I'm just going to take it up in the crease. Bring it down just to blend all that together. So I am back. I've set my face and my concealer, and now we are going to finish up the eyes. So I'm going to take that champagne color once again, and I'm going to take it and go in my inner corner. I'm going to put on lashes, but for me, even though I put on lashes, I still like to line my eyes. And to line my waterline, I hope it's still good. I'm going to use this Hinge from Urban Decay, because some of my Urban Decay ones, they're dried out. But this one, hopefully it'll work. It's not all that great. I thought I bought a blue one from NYX. I did. And what is this one? Sunrise Blue. And then we're gonna take VR Extraterrestrial and hit the waterline.
eternity later.
I am back and I've done my lashes. I used the Doha ones, the ones I used yesterday. And what I have to do when I do these lashes, because they're dramatic, they're not like overly dramatic, something I can't deal with. I thought they were gonna be when I first got them. Creative lady girl, you know we don't like the caterpillars, but these are bomb. But I do have to use the eyelash curler with these, and then I go and I use a little mascara to bring them together. So now I came back so that I could bronze and blush and all that with you guys. And so for the bronzer, I am going to use this Makeup Revolution in the color medium. Now I thought I had found the perfect color in this, but this is a little too dark. But girl, that's a good thing though. But when I say that's a good thing, it's because this is the second to the first color, which is light, which I need to get light. And this is too dark. And I'm not like the brightest person out, though. You can see when I put it there, and I didn't even put my brush in there that much because I used it one day and I wasn't very careful. And girl, I was a blotchy mess. So I have to be careful. I'm going to bronze. I'm going to contour. Can y'all remember? Well, y'all probably don't remember, but there was a time when bronzing and contouring was not my thing. See, I went down too far with it, but it's okay. We're gonna work it out. It's gonna be okay. So for blush, what are we gonna do for blush? Y'all, I know y'all tired of me using my Fenty Cream blush, but I'm gonna do Fuego Flush. That's the orange looking one. So we're gonna do this one. Can taste it all day. I have to be a little bit heavy-handed with Fuego Flush because it's so light, but that is one reason why I do like it. All right, and then for highlights, I haven't tried the Ginger Binge, or is it the Moscow Mule? Yeah, I haven't. This one right here, the one that's not matte, I haven't used this one yet, I don't think. So let's use this. For lips, let's use my favorite lip combination. I think this is BFF4. No, this is 3, but we're gonna work with it. I could blow your head off, but only for and then Royalty. These are both Juvia's, no, ColourPop Juvia's Place. And this is like a gloss and a lip color all in one. I love it. I need my 4. BFF4 is just a little bit darker. Super sweet. Right. Alright you guys, so that is the completed look. I definitely appreciate you for coming and checking out another video, or for coming to check out a video. As I asked in the beginning, go ahead and subscribe. And while you're at it, when you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so that you'll be notified every time I come back in with some new shenanigans. So go ahead and like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And as I always say, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side.